Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the checkout page problem, whether you do not have a checkout page or you get an error while accessing the checkout page. So for example, this is my website and I have some items in my cart. So if I go to my shopping cart and after checking my products, if I click on proceed to checkout, it will give me a 404 error or it will redirect me to my home page. So whatever problem you face, if you have a checkout page with wrong fields or a distorted checkout page, or if you do not have the checkout page in the first place, this video will help you. So please watch this video from start to end to understand which problem do you have and how to rectify that problem. So first of all, let me show you in my pages, there is no checkout page at all. Or even if you have a checkout page, just move it to trash and go to trash and delete that page. And for example, if you have a theme which have some layouts for checkout, go to those layouts and delete that layout as well and empty that trash. So once you cleared your pages, checkout page and the layouts, checkout layout, then you must add a new page here. And the second issue, you must assign that new page to your checkout. So let's title this page as checkout, exactly like this, checkout, and add a short code. Just click add blocks. If you are using classic editor, then you just type the short code, but if you are using Gutenberg like this, then search for short code and add WooCommerce underscore checkout, publish. Now this will indeed create a checkout page, but it is not set up in the WooCommerce system yet. So for example, we have this checkout page added, but if you go to your website, go to your shopping cart, and sometimes it is not by default set up to checkout. If you click on proceed to checkout, it may not send you to the checkout page. It's because the checkout page is not yet in your system. But if you go to pages and open this checkout page, then you will be able to see your checkout page. So now we will assign this checkout page to your WooCommerce setup. So here is the checkout page layout, but in the checkout system it's not working. So for this, go to WooCommerce settings and here click on advanced. Now here you can see we have the cart page assigned, my account page assigned, terms and condition not assigned, but we do not have any checkout page assigned in the WooCommerce setting page. So click here and type checkout, and this is our checkout page with the page ID as well. So scroll down and click on save changes. Now open your shopping cart again and see if it is working now. So click on proceed to checkout and we have our checkout set up already. And if you want to remove this sidebar, then just click on edit page here and change the default template to anything you want. I have Elementor installed, so I will choose Elementor full width and save, and let's refresh the checkout page. Go to front end, cart, or directly click on checkout and we have a full width page template. You can add some padding here and here. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned how to fix your checkout page and it resolved your issue. So please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.